Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search icon and in the search bar type settings, click here to open it. Then select network and internet. On the right side, just scroll down and select Ethernet. After that, scroll down and just turn off this option, that is without connection, and close this window. After that, click on search icon and search for settings. Again, click here to open it. Then go to personalizations. Then scroll down and go to lock screen. Now expand this and select Windows Spotlight from the personalize your lock screen option. Once done, close this window. After that, search for PowerShell and run as administrator. Select S. Now you will get this command in the description below. Just copy and paste on the PowerShell window and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.